Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the inside scoop on everything beauty. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that promises to take your eyeliner game to the next level, the NYX Professional Makeup Mechanical Eye Pencil in Always Onyx. This black, creamy, retractable eyeliner is designed for intense, smudge-proof color that lasts all day, and I'm here to tell you whether it lives up to the hype. Let's dive into the details. The NYX Mechanical Eye Pencil offers a sleek, retractable design that eliminates the need for sharpening. This means one twist, and you're ready to draw the perfect line or winged look with ease. The formula is packed with rich pigment, giving you that bold, liquid eyeliner effect, but in the convenience of a pencil. No mess, no fuss, just smooth application every time. I've had the chance to test this eyeliner in various conditions, through a full day of wear, through the heat, humidity, and even those mid-afternoon moments when you need a quick touch-up, and I can say it's impressively reliable. The smudge-proof claim is real. It stays put, even in the warmer weather when other liners might fade or transfer. Plus, the creamy formula glides on effortlessly, providing a smooth application every time. Whether you're going for a subtle defined line or a full-on bold wing, this pencil gives you the flexibility to do it all. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is creamy, smooth, and richly pigmented, definitely one of its standout features. I loved how easy it was to create different eyeliner looks, whether it was a dramatic wing or something softer. The retractable design is also a huge convenience factor. Plus, the formula's staying power is commendable. I didn't notice any smudging, even by the end of the day. On the flip side, the only downside I encountered was with the pigmentation in very fine lines. While it works great for bold strokes, it might require a bit more effort for precision in more intricate designs, like very sharp lines or detailed lower lash lines. This is a minor issue, but worth mentioning for anyone who's aiming for that ultra-fine precision. In terms of value for money, I'd say this eyeliner is definitely worth its price point. You're getting a highly pigmented, long-lasting eyeliner that works well in various weather conditions without breaking the bank. It also eliminates the hassle of sharpening, which to me is a major plus for anyone on the go. When compared to other eyeliners in this category, the NYX Mechanical Eye Pencil holds its ground. It's a fraction of the price of high-end retractable liners, but the performance is still top-notch. Sure, there are other brands offering similar products, but for the price, this is a solid choice without compromising on quality. As for build quality, the packaging is simple but durable. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for tossing into your makeup bag or purse without worrying about it breaking or making a mess. Given the retractable design, there's no risk of the eyeliner breaking or needing to sharpen, which also reduces waste. While I haven't had direct contact with NYX customer service, I do know that they have a reputation for being responsive and helpful, should you need it. Plus, they're a cruelty-free brand, which is a huge win in my book. It's great to support brands that care about animals and the environment. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable, there are other drugstore brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offering similar retractable eyeliners with good performance. However, NYX's range of shades and the creamy texture make it stand out a bit more in this price range. In conclusion, the NYX Professional Makeup Mechanical Eye Pencil in Always Onyx is a solid, affordable eyeliner that gets the job done. Its rich pigmentation, smudge-proof formula, and easy application make it a great addition to anyone's makeup routine, especially for those looking for a reliable pencil liner that works in hot and humid conditions. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or someone who just needs an everyday eyeliner, this one definitely holds up its end of the bargain. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.